Hello everyone, here's a new shooting mode on Snapchat for Snapchat Spotlight. So in the creator tab in the top right you will see this. So it kind of looks familiar to something what TikTok has. The idea is that you can combine multiple short clips. So like whatever. I can just combine them, I can add a sound. So yeah, the idea is that you can use it similar to TikTok. You can create longer snaps and then you can just preview it. And then, so that's the idea. And then you can add another one. And then you can just send two and then you can just submit it to Spotlight or your story. So that's new continuous shooting mode for longer snaps. Hope it was helpful, guys.